If the woman puts anything on the table, it should be willingly done, and it's just because she wants to support. That's what her name is, support. Support. You are saying, I'm breaking my back and walking. That's your assignment. You break your back. Hello? Let's not get it twisted. Women are working, yes, making income, yes, but their primary responsibility is not provision, it's yours. Women call me and they say, oh, ma, he has left everything for me. I'm the one paying the rent. I'm the one paying school fees. I say, you trained him. You say, training. The first time he didn't have, you paid. The second time he had, you paid. You have trained him. Untrain him. Or retrain him. In addiction, we untrain in the direction of the addiction and retrain in another direction. So untrain him and retrain. Bros, you don't pay, they're kicking us out. They will throw us out of the house. Pay the rent. I don't have all the money. I will support you, but pay. If he refuses to pay, find another house, move. Don't tell him the new address.
Ẹ kú dédé ìwòyí ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Olóyinka TNT, ẹ kú bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí ṣe dáadáa ni mo bá yín. Mo lérò pé gbọ́ nǹkan tí preacher yìí nǹkan tó ń sọ tí preacher yìí ń sọ. Pé a woman is just there to support the man. It is the man's responsibility to look after the home. And yes, lóòótọ́ ni, in the time of Garden of Eden, in the time of Joshua and Moses, not this time and age. Irú preaching kò fi ń dá wàhálà lẹ̀ ni. No woman can determine whether she stands as a support system until tó bá mọ nǹkan tó wà nínú àpò ọkọ ẹ̀. Because ẹ jẹ́ ká kólà kúrò lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Most àwọn ọkùnrin tó ń marry, àwọn obìnrin ló ń lọ wọn into marriage. Most of them don't even want to marry. As at the time tell me no one marry, they were not ready. Láti marry ní time tí wọ́n marry. Because bí àwọn obìnrin ṣe máa ń kàjú ọkùnrin láti lọ marry, òun ló máa ń jẹ́ kí ọkùnrin míì lọ wò pé I have to propose to this lady, I don't want to lose her, I don't want her to go. Tóbìnrin bá wà ń tà tó ń wá adé ẹ̀gún tó máa láwọn ń wá yẹn, life savings ẹ̀ ó lè ná sí orí ọkùnrin láti impress ẹ̀. Bó ṣe ń ná sí orí ọkùnrin ló máa ná sórí àwọn family ẹ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan tí ò lè ṣe fún àyà àti bàbá á ṣe lórí ọkùnrin yẹn because ó fẹ́ impress ẹ̀ pé òun dá best woman. Ọkùnrin yẹn lè gba létí gan kó fọwọ́ ra. Gbogbo nǹkan tó máa ṣe ọkùnrin á máa fi ọkùnrin á máa reassure ọkùnrin á fi pé òun ti ní support system, òun ti ní coping mechanism, òun ti rí shoulders to cry, òun ti rí nǹkan tó yẹ pé tóun bá fẹ́ ṣubú, òun ti rẹ́ni tó máa lift òun. So based on that, nígbà míì àwọn ọkùnrin míì tí wọn ò tí ready for marriage based on the attitude tí àwọn obìnrin fi kàjọ wọn tó fi lọ wọn into marriage, wọn á wò pé tóbìnrin pẹ̀lú bó dẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe àti nǹkan táwọn ń gbà àwọn lè jọ máa grow together. Ìgbà tóbìnrin bá wá wọlé tán ti gbọ́rú preach báyìí pé they are just there to support, wọn á gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n jẹ́ kí ọkùnrin yẹn enjoy tó fi wò pé well kóun kúkú lọ marry káwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ díẹ̀, wọ́n á withdraw ẹ̀. Pressure yẹn á wá wà lórí ọkùnrin nìkan. Ìmí à marry àríjàgàjàgà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní blood pressure, á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní develop oríṣiríṣi àìsàn because attitude tẹ́ fún wọn tó fi lọ torí attitude yẹn máa so fún wọn débi wípé wọ́n máa wò pé I have to propose to this woman, I don't want to lose this woman, I must not lose her, she's going to be my support system, she's my coping mechanism, I cannot afford to lose her. Because ẹ ti fún wọn ní attitude wípé they can trust you, you have hands which they can run into tó bá ti ní problem. Ìgbà tí wọ́n bá marry tán, ìgbà yẹn náà máa ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá èyí tó bá lóun gbọ́ nìga wọ́n máa quote pé I'm just there to support you. No woman can determine that until after maybe tẹ́ bá ti marry, tẹ́ ti wà into marriage and you know what your husband earns, and you cannot determine that, especially when you've been supporting the man before getting married. Ẹ wá marry tó wá yọwọ́ most of the time tí àṣírí òtún nígbà tẹ́ wà ń ta torí pé òun support ẹ ni. So nǹkan tó bá ti mú ẹ máa support ọkùnrin tó ti fún ọkùnrin ní access sí everything nígbà tẹ́ wà lọ́nà, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ pé àwọn ìwà tẹ́ ń give positive attitude financially, socially, everything tẹ́ ń give yẹn òun ló máa ń prompt ọkùnrin láti sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ propose fún yín pé because wọ́n ti feel pé bó ṣe máa lọ nìyẹn. Tẹ́ bá ti mọ̀ pé ẹ lè carry ẹ̀ on, ẹ má jẹ́ kí wọ́n lọ marry, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ò tí ì ready. Èyí tó bá wà responsible nínú wọn, wọ́n máa ń mọ̀ pé àwọn láti ready. But nígbà tẹ́yin bá ti lead wọn on, ẹ̀yin lè máa bèrè pé Where are we going? And what is going to be the end of this relationship? Kíní kan ẹ ti mú wọn lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn parents yín. Tó bá ń try láti máa sọ pé nǹkan ò sí, ẹ máa sọ pé don't worry now, kíní kan. Díẹ̀ máa tún bẹ́ ṣe ń sọ lẹ́ máa action náà. Bẹ́ ṣe ń sọ pé don't worry fún ọkùnrin tó ń date yín, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lẹ ṣe máa action náà. Ẹ raṣọ fún sí wọn lọ́rùn, ẹ fún wọn lówó, ẹ ṣe bẹ̀, ẹ lọlé lọ fọṣọ, ẹ ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ fún wọn. Of course, any man will not want to lose you. The next thing is for him to start planning how to get settled with you, how to win you, how not to lose you. That is exactly what will be in his mind. But nígbà tẹ́ bá wá wọlé, ìgbà yẹn ni wọ́n máa gbé Bíbélì wá pé a man must feed the husband, a man must feed the wife, a man must kíní kan gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ fi tọ́ lẹ́nu wò. Tẹ́ fi prompt ẹ, tẹ́ fi lead ẹ hàn tó fi rò láti pé òun lọ marry yẹn, ẹ wá withdraw ẹ torí àwọn preaching báyìí tẹ́ ń gbọ́. No woman can determine whether you are going to be, you are taking a position of a supporter or a support system to a man unless tó bá mọ nǹkan tí ọkọ ẹ bá rí rọrùn. No, who says a woman cannot be in charge of the home? Kó dẹ̀ máa assist ọkọ ẹ̀. Who says a woman cannot lift the husband? Àwọn preaching yóò lè ṣiṣẹ́ nísìnyí. Not ìgbà tí kinní kan, bóyá láàrin politician, bóyá láàrin àwọn high and mighty, àwọn the likes of Ọ̀tẹ́dọ́lá and co, àtàwọn pastors olè tó ń jẹ́ pé wọ́n ń gbowó ọmọ òjọ́, but not at the grassroots level. Not semi-class people. And when you look at the world now, àwọn tó jẹ́ grassroots level ló pọ̀ jù. Èèyàn mélòó ló lówó láyé? Àwọn tó lówó láyé gan wọ́n lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn wọ́n mọ̀ responsibility owó yẹn pọ̀. But ẹni tó ń struggle tó jẹ́ pé attitude tí obìnrin fún níta òun ló prompt ẹ̀ láti fẹ́ in the first place. You cannot say a man can break the back. You are encouraging him. Kìnìkan. You will support your man will support you. Both of you are supporting each other. A woman should not say is to support. You are supporting each other. And as you are supporting him, he's also supporting you. He cannot inconvenience himself because of you. Even the Bible says, love your neighbor as yourself, not loving another person more than yourself. So as much as a man must look after the home, he must also look after himself. So don't get it twisted. Get it into your skulls when you bring it into your skull. You are not supporting the man. Both of you are supporting each other. And you should know that most of you cajole these men to get married by showing them positive attitude. Nita, by helping, by giving them shoulders, by being supportive, by being their coping mechanism. You are the one, most of the time, the man long into that marriage. So once you know that this thing cannot be continued, do not lead them on, because based on your attitude to them, most of them they go extra mile to propose to you to marry you. Most of them go tell him, I'm ready for the marriage, but because of the attitude you've been given, on their thing, this one will be, this is my protective factor. This is the support mechanism. This is my support system. This is my coping mechanism. This one I can cry to her in times of trouble. This one will be there for me. Oni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn, ìwà tẹ́ ń fún wọn níta lọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ṣe ń propose. And you know it. That once you are in love, once you are bent, once you are desperate to hook a man, there's no extent that a woman will not go. Ó lè lọ ta ilẹ̀ bàbá àti ìyá ẹ̀ kó kówó fọ́kùnrin lọ́nà. And when you get in, tó òjé tí wo ló ṣàlọ́wọ́, you want to change and you want the man to look after everything tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe, tẹ́tí jọ ń ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ kó tó wọlé. So this type of sermon or preaching, it would ó máa bà ayé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn obìnrin jẹ́, because kò lè work. It's not practicable. Maybe láàrin àwọn tó ń lówó, politician, àwọn high and mighty, not grassroots level and not middle class, and not àwọn tó yẹ pé wọn ò ní kankan, wọ́n ṣe ń struggle ni. If you sit down there and think, I'm just supporting you, I'm not supposed to be doing it, wàá jẹ́ bàbá ńlá kú bàbá ìyá. And you cannot determine whether you are supporting your man except you know what he earns, you know what he gets, you know what he has in his pocket. Otherwise, you will be supporting each other. Ẹ káàárọ̀.